All right, in today's video, I'm getting rid of all this stuff. Domino Throttle is coming. Get ready for it. And that pretty much does it. This is not going to be the end of the video because I still need to do this side. I got the grip just kind of sitting over there on the ground. But this side went flawless. You know what actually took the longest is how I wanted to set these up. So a lot of people on YouTube, some people put them here, and then most people put them like this. I wanted this closer to here, but I was worried that this was going to be too far to grab it, but it feels perfectly fine to me. I actually use this brake more because it's the regen brake. But it feels good to me. I think I do want to get longer handlebars because this is probably sticking off the edge just a little bit. So this side of the bar is probably longer than this one. That's pretty much it. And then I will give you an update once we get that other one put on. All right, we are completely done with the install. We got this grip on. It's a little loose just because I used some WD-40 to get the old one off. And then I just use a rubber mallet after you slide these back. You have enough room to get a rubber mallet in there. Anyways, huge shout out to Alvin Bose. He was the one that sent me this kit. I cleaned it up a little bit with some zip ties and it basically just sits right in there. I mean, that's the main plug. It does not go inside here. It actually sits on the outside. If you know, the Domino Throttle is pretty short, the wiring. Super nice setup. I mean, I am so happy to get rid of that big old donut that was sitting right here. So now I'm gonna go take it for a quick ride, and actually I need to cut this zip tie real quick. So give me a second. All right, got that zip tie cut. So now I am going to take it for a ride. I'm just gonna put my helmet on super quick. This isn't any type of review or anything like that. Just my first initial impressions. So I got my helmet on. It's not tight or anything, but the first thing I noticed, I wanted to put my gloves on for this because I'm only going to go down the street. But my God, it feels so much better because my hands are kind of small, and the other setup, it hurt these two fingers right here. So this actually feels super, super nice. Yeah, I like it. It's dope. Woo! If you hear any noise in the video, that's my chin strap on my helmet. I did not tie it. I just wanted to come super quick and test this out. And also, if you noticed in the video, I actually got some new shocks too, so I want to have a review on those. But my God, I think this is a quarter throttle. I could be wrong, but I think it's like a 1/4 throttle. And the other one, it just felt like you pulled it forever. So this one's so much better. Yeah, I love it. My hand's not gonna hurt anymore. I'm gonna take this thing out tonight. It's not gonna be a review, like I said, probably tonight. I'm gonna go ride my buddy. But man, I am just so much more happier. I can't tell you on the suspension yet until I get some more some more ride time. So alright guys, that's gonna do the video. And like I said, a huge shout out for that guy making the harness and all that stuff. I'll link his Instagram and stuff in the description, so check it out.